Hi, I'm Doug Gillespie from HydropoolHotTubs.com. The purpose of this video is to launch our 2009 Hydropool Evergreen Carbon Neutral program. Essentially, when we looked at getting involved with greening our hot tubs, we wanted to be more transparent. We wanted to be more, have a little bit more meat to our program. So what we did was we partnered with a company called Live Clean. Essentially, they're a carbon offset company. What we did was, the first thing we did was we had them come into our manufacturing facility and essentially measure the carbon footprint of our manufacturing facility. Now, what is a carbon footprint? Basically, it's the measure of CO2 in tons that is produced in the manufacturing facility. Now, the second thing we had them do as they were coming in to give us the carbon footprint, we had them suggest with their environmental consultants how we could reduce our carbon footprint, how we could become more eco-friendly, a more eco-friendly manufacturer. And we're going to talk about that in a second. The third thing we had them do was we partnered with them in the first place to purchase our carbon offsets. Now, what is a carbon offset? Very simply put, for every hot tub we manufacture, we plant 15 trees. That's as simple as I can put it. We also are involved with some solar projects and some wind generation electrical projects, but very simply put, 15 trees are planted for every hot tub that's manufactured in this facility. Now, what were some of the initiatives that we put into place after talking with Live Clean and their environmental consultants? Well, we split it into two things. One was the manufacturing commitment, and two, what were we doing for the customer's commitment? So let me talk first about the manufacturing commitment. As I said, the first thing we did four things. The first thing we did was we partnered with Live Clean to purchase the carbon offsets for every hot tub and swim spa manufactured in this manufacturing facility. Essentially, every hot tub that goes out of here is carbon neutral. Every hot tub that leaves the factory is carbon neutral. Second thing we did, on the suggestion from the environmental consultants who came in, was they suggested us first to adopt a lean manufacturing philosophy. And what that's done is it's allowed us to produce the hot tubs more efficiently and hence lower our carbon footprint at our factory. The third thing we did was we introduced, again, in partnership with the environmental consultants, we introduced a factory-wide reduce, reuse, and recycle program. So every bit of waste, well, not 100%, but as much as we possibly can do, we recycle almost everything that comes out of this manufacturing facility. Again, trying to lower our carbon footprint at the factory. And the fourth thing we did was we partnered with FSC printing. Again, a more ecologically friendly way of printing. All right? Now that's the manufacturing commitment. What did we do for the consumers? What did we do to lower our carbon footprint and really become the lowest carbon footprint in the industry for any hot tub? Well, we had a couple of things in place already, but let's go over those. First of all, we have our HydroWise double thermal lock or double thermal shield insulation system. Now, you can go onto our website at www.hydropoolhottubs.com and find out more about it. But essentially what we do is we recapture the heat from our motor and utilize that to lower the amount of electricity that we use to heat our hot tubs. There's a bunch of other things that go with that, and you can refer to our website for it. But essentially, it makes us one of the lowest carbon footprint hot tubs in the industry. It's definitely one of the most energy efficient hot tubs in the industry. The second thing we've been doing for the last 30 years is we've been making a self-cleaning hot tub. Now, what is a self-cleaning hot tub? Again, you can go onto our website, www.hydropoolhottubs.com, to find out more about the self-cleaning hot tub. Or click on a YouTube link, the self-cleaning hot tub, search it, it'll be right there, it'll explain it all for you. But essentially, what it does is it filters 100% of the water every 15 minutes. Most hot tubs in the market, probably 90% of the hot tubs in the market, filter 100% of the water in 6 hours. So you can imagine, with the self-cleaning hot tub filtering 100% only every 15 minutes, obviously it's going to be more energy efficient, and obviously it's going to have a lower carbon footprint than any other hot tub on the market. The fourth thing we did, or the third thing I should say we did, was we introduced Everlast cabinetry about 3 or 4 years ago. Now, what is that? Essentially, it's a recycled product. So we're stopping this material from going to landfill sites. We're really pushing the Everlast cabinetry this year. It's a non-maintenance cabinet, and we've been pushing it for the last couple of years. Again, those three things make our hot tubs what we believe the lowest carbon footprint in the industry. The last thing we did was we partnered with Live Clean, as I stated from the outset, and we negotiated with them the price on carbon offsets for the consumer at their house. So essentially, to really full circle this whole commitment, what the consumer can actually do is, through us, buy their carbon offsets for the lifetime of their hot tub. Again, making their hot tub at their house carbon neutral. You know what? Ultimately, I believe that this program will revolutionize the hot tub industry. The carbon neutral factory, the carbon neutral hot tub. You know what? For more information, go to carbonneutralhottub.com. Thanks very much.